Well, today in Eat Right, Live Well, we're learning how to make a traditional deli favorite.
Katie Sampaio shows us how to make a quick and easy chicken salad. Take a look.
Good morning, everyone. Katie here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite chicken salad recipe ever. I'm obsessed with the chicken salad. I've been making it for years, and I love it not only because it tastes amazing, but because it has less than half the fat than you would find in the normal chicken salad. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you why it has less than half the fat as I show you how to make this recipe. So the first thing that you're going to need are about 2 chicken breasts, 2 pretty big chicken breasts. And the secret to making this the best chicken salad recipe is how you cook the chicken. So we're actually going to boil the chicken, preferably in chicken stock. That's gonna give it a lot of flavor, and with a couple of bay leaves thrown into the pot. If you don't have chicken stock or bay leaves, you can still boil it and just put a little bit of salt and pepper directly into the water. It's still gonna taste good, but if you want it extra juicy and extra tasty, really try to get the chicken stock and the bay leaves. So we're gonna boil it for anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes, okay, until it's not pink anymore in the center, and then we're gonna take it out and set it to the side to cool. While it's cooking, we're gonna make the sauce for the chicken salad. Now, what we're gonna use instead of a ton of mayonnaise, which is why chicken salad is usually really fatty and unhealthy, is we're gonna use mainly plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, so I'm gonna take some plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I say right about a whole cup of that. And then we're gonna add in some mayonnaise as well, but it's only gonna be about 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, so we're gonna mix the mayonnaise and the plain non-fat Greek yogurt together, and then we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. That's gonna give this a nice flavor, a nice bite. I say around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Kind of test it, and you're gonna be able to tell how much you like in this sauce, okay? And then the other thing we're gonna add, of course, is just a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it all together, and that is your sauce for the chicken salad. Now, what I really like in this are some fresh cut apples. So I just sliced up a red apple, and I added in some red onion too, because it's gonna give it a nice pop of flavor and color as well. So really all we have to do from here is shred the chicken. So we're gonna shred the chicken, rip it apart. Okay, you can do it with 2 forks, or you can do it with your fingers, whatever's easier for you. And then we're gonna put everything into a big bowl and combine it together, and then you have it. You have your chicken salad. It's that easy. I love eating this chicken salad over greens like a normal salad. You can also, of course, put it into a wrap or a normal sandwich, whatever you prefer, and that's it. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoy this recipe. This recipe is in my #1 best-selling cookbook, Eat to Thrive, that you can find on Amazon. And if you want to cook with me in person, why don't you join me in Costa Rica at the end of October for my retreat. More information on that can be found at katiesampaio.com. With that, guys, back to you at the studio.
Well, that actually looks pretty delicious. I love a good chicken salad. Are you into chicken salad?
I'm not a big salad guy, but I'm into chicken.
Well, this is a different kind of salad with mayonnaise in it. Everyone loves mayonnaise, right?
Well, yeah, I like mayonnaise.
Okay, well, you'll like chicken salad. Well, again, if you'd like to find any of Katie's recipes, you can log on to katiesampaio.com, or you can check out her best-selling book, Eat to Thrive, on Amazon.